How to post a video on your Steam account from your laptop or from your mobile application. The process will be same, so just follow the steps I'm showing you in this video, and let's start this video without any further delay. To upload a video to your Steam account, what you have to do is just log into it, and on the home screen you have to click on the right top of the screen, that is my account. Let me just do that. Here are a lot of options, that is my account. I will go to my content setting here on my name. Here you have to select the video option on the third. You will get a lot of options like collections, guides, workshop, videos, artwork. You have to click on the third, that is video section. As you can see, no matching video were found. Here you have to link your YouTube account to get your videos uploaded on your Steam. Click on it, and here you will get an option to link your YouTube account to your Steam profile. You have to select the videos you want to add to your profile and then share with your Steam friends so they can marvel or review these videos. Click on the green button that says access your YouTube videos to your Steam account. This is how you can upload any video to your channel. You have to first upload it on YouTube and then link your account to your Steam. Thank you so much for watching this video.